Hi everyone, welcome back to Mishri Reviews. Thank you so much for all the love that you've shown for our previous videos, and here we are back with our next video.
Hi everyone, hi Divya. So today we are here with something which is very popular in the summers. It's getting hot across the country, and we thought we'll review Epigamia's snack packs. Essentially, it's a single serving snack with a little bit of granola on top and a flavored yogurt in the bottom cup. So we have two flavors, strawberry and mango. Which one do you think we should try today, Divya?
Well, I'm thinking since it's the mango season, why not go ahead with this one? Right.
So mango it is. Let me tell you what's nutritionally present in this. The whole snack has about 153 calories. It's priced at 80 rupees. I think it was lower last year, and now it's 80. And it has an expiry of 17 days, which is typically a lot of Epigamia fruit cups and yogurt cups have 17 days. I wonder why 17 is the number over there. The granola has oats, it has sunflower seeds, coconut oil, it's got Rice Krispies, Rajgira puff, flax seeds, and it's supposed to be high in protein. So that's why it's also liked by a lot of people when you're looking for a healthier snack. The packaging though is very interesting, right?
I agree, the packaging is very innovative. It actually comes in 3 packs. So this is the yogurt container, and this little guy is where the granola is stored, and a spoon. How interesting is that? So everything put together, very compact. So for people on the go, when you're in a rush to catch someone for a meeting and you want to just grab on a healthy snack,
right.
I think this really comes handy. So
so I'm not going to use this spoon.
Yeah.
I've got one handy here because I'm at home in the lockdown. Should we try and open this, Divya?
Yes. Let's get on with the tasting.
So mine is pretty nice and chilled because it was in the fridge since yesterday. The foil's coming up now. Oh, interesting. So what you have is, can you see that there's space there to add the granola on top?
Right.
You can actually also just eat on the go like Divya was saying. Adding the granola now.
The yogurt is nice and creamy. It's not liquidy or sometimes it can be very watery. So it's nice and rich, and I've literally just if you look at that, just added.
I got a nice whiff of mango the moment you opened the foil on the yogurt cup.
Yeah,
I'm gonna put this on
fresh
the
mango. It does say fresh chunks of mango inside, so
oh yeah,
definitely.
Okay, let's taste this.
Oh, it's nice.
The mango flavor in this is really fresh. It does not feel artificial, and very often these flavored yogurts can taste like the main ingredient, the main flavor is coming out of a can. This one feels very, very fresh, and I think that's a big thumbs up. What do you feel about the texture, Divya?
The texture, I would say, is it works so well because the granola just adds to the crunchiness. Otherwise it's perfectly fine on its own as well, because the yogurt is so creamy. You can do without the granola if you just want to enjoy the flavors of mango. It's a very parfait style put together product, where if you want to add fruits to it, it'll just add to the flavor. So very interesting.
Yeah, there's a lot you can do with it. Don't use the granola, use it in a smoothie, because the sweetness is bang on. It's not loaded with sugar. You get a lot of mango and the natural mango sweetness, but you don't get sugary, overloaded with sugar sort of a thing, and that's really important, and I think that totally works for me.
I agree. So how many Mishri, Sanu, do you think? I was just I was wondering that according to me, 2 things that really work are obviously the flavor. We've spoken about that before, and the packaging. They really work for me. They're bang on.
Right, absolutely, I agree. And in addition to that, there is good pricing, definitely. And above everything else, the nutrition label. There's healthy ingredients in this. This sort of a snack is far more healthy than so many sugar or salt loaded, trans fat rich junk out there. This is a good snack. This is something
Right.
that you can enjoy a little more frequently. So I'd easily give it a 5 on 5 Mishri. I hope you agree with me, Divya.
That sounds perfectly fine for me, because there's nothing that I thought is a miss here.
Absolutely.
So 5 on 5
Yeah.
for Epigamia's snack pack yogurt.
This flavor,
And,
though I do look forward to reviewing the other
flavor,
flavors
mango. Yes.
as the summers
Yes.
proceed.
Yes.
Yeah.
I agree. So let us know what do you think of this review. Add to the comments. We're always looking forward to that. And until then, we'll see you again with our next product review in this lockdown. Take care. Bye now.
Bye.